USD 489. In this video, we're going to look at taking some pages that I have saved in OneDrive as pictures and using them in Doceri to make a video for students. So you can see here I'm in my OneDrive app and I have shared all of these files, elementary teachers, to you. So if you tap on shared, these Go Math files that you see right here in my regular files, you will find those by the grade level you teach here in shared. So you will see those folders or files here, but I'm accessing them from the Files tab. So I'm going to click on third grade math here, and I'm going to select chapter 5. So I have a page here that has some examples on it. I would like for the toolbar there across the top to go away, so that it's not taking up part of my picture. So if I tap in the middle of my screen, then that toolbar goes away, and I can take a screenshot, and it will save to my camera roll, and then I can scroll down and get the bottom half of the page here too, and I'll take another screenshot, and I'm going to go ahead and tap on this one because I want to crop it so that it doesn't show that other page. And I'm going to tap done and save to photos. So now I have these two pictures that make up one page that I'm going to use in my Doceri video. So I'm going to close the OneDrive app, and I'm going to open my Doceri app, and I'm going to start a new project by tapping in the bottom left corner the plus sign, and I'm going to pick the top choice that says iPad default. And when it loads here, I'm going to tap on the image icon there across the top and go to Photo Library. And those two pictures that were my most recent will be here in recently added. And so I'm going to pick the top half of the page first, and it'll load right here on my screen, and it looks good. So to get the dancing dotted line to go away, I just tap on the screen. And then I'm going to tap to get a second slide. So here in the top right, you see a little play arrow type thing, and we're going to tap on that. We get a second slide. Again, I'm going to tap the image and from Photo Library and go to my recently added. And this time I'll pick that bottom half. I'm going to drag it up a little bit higher here on my screen. And then again, tap done. And then I'm going to go back to my first slide here so I can see this first page. To get started with making the video, I'll tap record and start recording. And now I can use my pen and I can zoom in on this so that students will see what I'm doing. And I can show here that I have 3 10s plus 3 10s, which is 6 10s or 6 10s. And so then 30 plus 30 is 60. And continue on the way with the video as I normally would. I'm going to tap to stop that right now. So I tap the record button again and I say stop recording, and it comes up here. And honestly, friends, I know there's a YouTube button right there at the right, but once I tap to retitle this, if I tap on that name and exit out, I'm just going to call this example, I would just go ahead, if I were you, and save it to your camera roll. So drag your video over here to the share square, and this is going to pop up with a menu, and I'm just going to tap save video, and then I can get it over to YouTube from my camera roll. So I'm going to allow it to add photos to my camera roll there by tapping OK, and now I can go over to the YouTube app and get that video uploaded to YouTube. As always, if you have questions, please don't hesitate to ask. Please don't hesitate to reach out. Thanks, and have a great day.